The KOMEG Walk-in ESS Chamber is designed to accelerate product reliability testing with rapid temperature changes from -60°C to +150°C. It helps identify hidden manufacturing defects before products reach the market, featuring precise temperature control and excellent temperature uniformity. It delivers accurate and repeatable testing results. An intelligent touchscreen controller ensures simple operation and efficient test management with customizable chamber sizes. The ESS chambers can be tailored to meet a wide range of testing requirements. It's the ideal solution for automotive, aerospace, semiconductor, battery, and electronics applications.